Alright, YouTube. Got the engine in, the track in. There's a 583 engine. See, look. Bombardier Rotax. She's sitting in here. One problem is I got a little problem. She's a little too close, the boots are, to the engine plate. So I'm going to have to design something so it brings this up. I don't know if it'll work, but it's worth a try. I mean, worst comes to worst, I won't be able to use the engine. But I'm fucking hoping and praying like hell it's gonna work. It should. But yeah, she's in. She's in the Polaris for chassis. I got suspension in. It looks good. But yeah. 583 Rotax Polaris. Polaris. Skidoo. Bombardier, baby. It's gonna be a fucking rocket. Like I showed you last time. There's the cooler lines I had to drill. I had to drill out the chassis, put coolers in. Like I said before, it was a 488 chassis. But yeah, there she blows, the fucking Bombardier 583 Rotax. Fucking fast engine. She gonna be a fucking screamer. Alright. Fucking 40mm carbs. Fucking huge bastards. Gotta put the chain case back on. But yeah. Polaris. She's my Play-Doh. She's gonna fucking scoot. It's gonna be stupid. Stupid fast. I'll have another video tomorrow of cold start. If I get that. If I figure out the carburetor situation, have a cold start for you. Alright. I'm going inside because it is fucking cold. Alright. Have fun.